Hey there! What are today's messages that we need to hear? Let things come and go. Stay calm. Don't let anything disturb your peace, and carry on. Let's roll the dice today. Number 5. Time spent with the right person feels like a vacation from the world. Oh, yes, it does. I can't believe bedtime used to be a punishment. Huh? Your soul knows when it's time to close a chapter. Before we're ready, it knows. Be open to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Stay where your presence matters. And that is so important. And the last one today, naturally introverted, selectively extroverted. That's exactly who I am. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.